Da, 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 do, 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 do. Alright, okay, let's get that up. Nice, nice, nice. Let's get the Telegram up. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Put this in here. Nice. Let's take a look at the chart over here, see what people are saying. Looks like people are potentially looking for some buys over here. I'll take a look at that in a second. Just get it all up and ready. Right, YouTube all running nicely. Let's just get rid of our last trade we took, which is here. We took about GU buys. That was on Friday, and then I got GJ sells on Friday. I got gold buys twice on Friday, so it was a nice Friday actually. So let's take a look. Let's stay on FXCM because you guys like that for some reason. We're going to go through some of the charts over here. Oh, wow. I love how FXCM looks disgusting on the daily. 1 second. Yeah, so my daily has a bottom wick, so I'm not going to use FXCM. I think it looks like shit. Yeah, there we go. That's what mine looks like. So. Let me
Csak ilyen jelzés,
hogy jó. There we go. Okie dokie. So, let's do a fresh analysis over here, guys. All filling up nicely. Look at gold first. Okay. I'll take a look at everything. Let's just first of all check the news over here. Let's check the news. All that good stuff. So let's just see. So we have some China stuff at 2 AM, and we got some GDP. Some member is speaking at 9:30, so nothing really much, which is fine. Okay. So I don't know why you're asking me to look at gold, because it's pretty obvious what's happening. Gold had a massive rally on the last couple of days of last week. So what do you expect price to do in the first couple of days? Probably relax, probably to make some supports, then continue bullish the next couple of days. Let me just, I can hear some background noise from probably this vision. So what can you expect price to do? Well, for me, I can see that there's a support down at 1847, right around here, 44, sorry. This is where I'll be looking for sells below, and for me, it's looking for buys above 1867. So either what I'm going to do is wait for support to form right around these little lows to then buy it back up. Because look at the 4 hour. 4 hours respecting the highs, but it's in a range. So, and look at the 30 minutes. Is that really enough kind of momentum volume to take any trades? Probably not. So, yeah, we're just chilling. We're just chilling on gold. I'm not really looking at it today. So yeah, sorry I've got a fucking cold again, man. I think it might be this room. This room might be just giving me an allergic reaction somehow. But yeah, morning everyone. I just entered USD CAD.
Boy.
Hello, how you doing, my man? Antonio's back.
Back in the building.
Antonio's back in the building. Yes, sir. Everyone's missed him, man.
Let's get it.
Let's go. Wicked. Thank God for that. Yeah, my nose is fucking killing me. Holy shit. So let's take a look at GJ over here. Look at the GJ on the higher time frames. Look at the GJ on the daily. We are bullish. We're making some support. I talked about this last night. We are making some support, which is good. I'm looking for sells below like 152, 400 level. But it looks like we're reacting off it nicely over here. Look at the 4 hour. 4 hours bullish. So daily's bullish. 4 hours bullish. They're quite solidly as well. So looks like buys it is. Let's take a look over here. Morning, Oliver. Morning. So looking at in the hourly closed above over here in this candle. Looking at the 7 o'clock's made the lower wick to continue bullish over here. Let me take a look to the left. We have a bit more resistance over here. We'll come back into the zone, which is a bit annoying. So first of all, there was like a resistance here. So we have had the closure above. Let's just take a look and see if people would have got in. Because I think a lot of people got in over here. Let me take a look. So if you got in on the flip with stop loss below, right around 12 pips. And that would have hit. No, only 7. Yeah. So I'm trying to look to the left and see what.
It flew before.
It flipped what?
It flew before it created a bottom wick.
Oh, did it? Ah, yeah. It's a no-go. It's a no-go. But it's, the 30 minutes closing in 4 minutes time. It's not the strongest candle, is it? I'm looking towards the left. I see the resistance right around this level as well. So, bit of a sticky one. I'm probably going to wait for closures above 115 for me. I think it's making a little resistance at the time. Yeah, look at it. So I'm going to be a bit more calmer. I can see the reason why I'm not liking this now is because it's got 3 minutes left for the 30-minute candle. It isn't the strongest candle. The 15's a bit doji, not really showing me kind of signs. And I can also see towards the left we have some sort of resistance right at this zone over here. So I think for me, closures above there would be nicer to continue, and hopefully we can actually continue up nicely. I hope, and get out of this fucking range it was in all last week. Oh my god, it's a pain in the ass. Blow your nose. I have a fucking so it's just a reaction, I think. But yeah, 1 second. 1 second. Right, okay, wicked. So yeah, I'm gonna be looking for closures. So let's start I'll marking out my zones over here. So I'm wanting buys above, right over here. I want to buys above, just like this. Buys above 153.14. Wicked. So that's what I'm going to be waiting for. If we do get closures above over here, where am I potentially going to, which I've spoke about yesterday on the weekly outlook. If we do exceed these highs over here, we should be coming towards the next highs, which is around about this area over here. So that's a nice zone to fill. It's like about 18 pips. If we exceed these highs, we're coming towards the next highs, which is like here, 484. And if you exceed them highs, where are we coming to? Where we're going to come to these highs over here. So some nice targets we can potentially get to over here. So just focusing on the closer, potentially on the hourly maybe, to get the closure above. 4 hours, nice and bullish, making really nice strong candles, not exceeding lows of previous's. So looking good for potential buys very soon, hopefully. But yeah, I just need the closure above to give me that extra confirmation. 51 people in YouTube already, damn. Welcome everyone. Let's take a look at GBP AUD as well. I'm gonna do Instagram as well. Is anyone else's MT5 not working? Mine looks like it's working. Yeah, mine looks like it's working, man. Buys above 1.344 looks good on GU. Yeah, I'll take a look at that in a second. I'll first take a look at this. So GA, yeah, GA does not look the nicest, I'm not gonna lie. I think we said about this last night. Pretty rangy, so I got a closure here, which was bearish, but look where it is in. It's looking a bit like a barcode. It's a bit in a range. Looking at the 4 hour though, the 4 hour looks alright. It's kind of closing up below over here to continue down. So 4 hour and daily are bearish. Let's take a look to the left. Yeah, it's quite choppy. It's coming down to a little support over here on the hourly. Let's just mark this up with like a 30-minute. Oh shit, I should not have done that. Looking at it to the left hand side, yeah, I think closures below potentially this zone over here would be nice to continue down. A little bit of support over here. So yeah, kind of closures below this zone. It's quite choppy though, I'm not gonna lie. I don't really like it on the higher time frames, to be honest. The hourly looks okay though. If you do get a closure in 29 minutes time to continue bearish, so that could be interessante. You caught the flu, or hello from the rules of Borneo. Nice. 25 likes already, ready for the London Open in 30 minutes time.
DJ broke lows when
Dude, what you say? Australia won, did they? Oh wow, who did they beat? Who did they beat? Oh, so look at this. Look at this lower wick just formed. No top wick made. Look at the hourly now. So it's a very, very delicate situation, you know. And look, like we're really not that far from flipping the 4 hours and the daily. So, yeah, this is going to be an interesting London session, I think. They beat the Kiwis. Oh. Broke 30 low, highly a fake out. Yep, I agree. I think it's struggling to break these highs over here. So people be like, oh, well, what should we do for sells? Should we get for sells here? For me, it's going to be quite hard to get some sells. So let's just take a look. So for me, I said I really want the sells just below. I think it's going to be a lot easier to get some nice sells below. Right around the zone. However, I can see that there is a little bit of a support it's made now up here. Let me just zoom in. Look at the 30. Yeah, so the 30 and the 15, I think that there's a support. How far is it from here? Yeah, right around this zone. But it is just very, 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 very choppy towards this time. But I mean, if I get a nice solid closure, potentially, because the 4 hour will be with me, the daily will be with me, and then to ride that bitch all the way back down. How big is this zone? So like right around this time when there's a little minor support here, if I got into trades like right around that zone, I'd have my stop loss to break even to just potentially continue down. That's fine. When it's a London Open, I can do them moves because there's so much volume. When we come to here anyway, it should just blast my TP. We've got a nice wick to fill as well actually. And we do have a 30 pip zone to the lows right here. There's a minor support here as well, so it's quite a nice zone. So yeah, I'm going to be waiting patiently for sells below here as well. But yeah, there's no rush, you know, it is Monday. Don't want to be starting off your week shit because you know the price action from last week was shit, so doesn't mean that I can't continue that in this zone. So unfortunately you have to come to the realization that I might do that for a bit. So yeah, we'll see. But yeah, has exceeded the low of the previous 15, the previous 30 as well. So the bullish kind of structure that we all know has been kind of removed over here. What I mean by that, guys, I think so for people who are new here, I'll just go through that. I talked about it in the webinar before, but I'll just show you about it in a sec. Yeah, for me, there's nothing really much on gold. I mean, let's analyze this for a sec. So daily hasn't exceeded the low yet. Nice. Looking at the 4 hour, the 4 hour is bearish too, but hasn't exceeded the lows. Looks like the 4 hours is starting to make some wicks over here. It kind of suggests some rejection to the downside. Right around here. So for me, I mean, what can you see over here? You can see that the hourly has a clear resistance just right at 1859. Take a look at the 30 minute and the 15. Yeah, like right here. So kind of resistance right at this time, which flips the 4 hour, and then it has support right here as well. Looking at the 30 and the hourly. Yeah, I mean, potentially if you get an hourly closure bullish, we may be making some support to continue bullish up. So I'll be keeping an eye on that actually. Looking at the 4 hour, yeah, the 4 hour, I like these bottom wicks. So when the wicks are really quite long, like right here, you see these wicks are very, very long. Shows kind of rejection to the downside, potentially to continue bullish. So that could be nice. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the closure over here in 24 minutes time. And yeah, GJ just had a little pull down over here. Damn. I'm going to take a look at charts as well. Let's just take a look at what people are saying in Telegram over here this morning. So, let's take a look over here. So, looks like Jay said, so let's just let's take a look. So, Jay said, looking for buys once we get a closure. So that's the closure that we just talked about before. Clean candles, looks good. So, look, someone's looking for the closure. Buys are great. Daily in 4 hours also with us. We've got clean traffic. We've got 1 hour and 30-minute closing bullish, which are great confirmation. And then we'll have the London Open along with a new hourly, so everything's in our favour. And the next candle can hopefully push up. Beautiful. So exactly how I would have said that. So then Farhad goes, a good wick down would be nice, which is true because the hourly needs to make a bottom wick. And then it says, pushing up without bottom wick. I needed that bottom wick. So everyone says here they needed that bottom wick. Jay says there was a bottom wick on their terminal. But it looks like that move didn't work out because there was no bottom wick. So I think some people got in, but they would have got in at break even over here. Jay, do you get that at break even?
Yeah, break even.
Good lad. Good lad, good lad, good lad. Yeah, there wasn't much of a bottom wick. There probably was in your terminal, but yeah, not in here. GA falling, nice. C is dropping. Yeah, it's doing quite well to be fair. The issue I have with GA is still ranging, and where we're coming up to 4 hour support right here. So I mean, potentially if you get a closure in the hourly, but I only want kind of look for the hourlies to give me that extra kind of confirmation. It's just not a nice area for GA, to be honest. It's not a nice area. I think GJ could finally break out of this zone this week, hopefully. God, I'm praying. I'm praying. Get some volume in there. 70 people in the chat, amazing. 27 likes. Is something wrong with IC Markets this morning? Not connected to my MT5. No, mine's working, I think. Mine's working fine. Yeah, mine's working grand, I think. 22 minutes left of this 30-minute candle. Oh yeah, I was going to show you why. So like, when we say here, so Mingish goes in the chat that price exceed the low. What does that mean, okay? Well, if you look to our sheet over here, 1 second. I think people may say that, but what does that actually mean? So let me just do this over here. Right. Yours is not working either. Oh wow. So very, very simple, okay? Very, very simple. Bullish in all higher time frames and any time frame is when you make higher highs and higher lows. So you can see here that this candle exceeds the high of the previous high and doesn't exceed the low of the previous low. Yeah. So that is what a bullish structure means, okay? On candles, okay? It doesn't just mean it's going up. It means this. Bearish, same thing. Lower highs. So this high is lower than this high. This low here is lower than this low, etc. So now, if we go back to our chart over here on GJ. Look, we're looking for buys, aren't we? So look, this candle here, these candles here. 1 second. These candles here. Look, exceeded the high, didn't exceed the low of this one and this one. This one, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now this one that's just came here exceeded the low of the previous. That's violated one of our rules for the bullish kind of thing. So knowing that, it's not the best confirmation. It's given us something that could go against us because it's not really bullish anymore. It's exceeded the lows and hasn't exceeded the highs. So that's what we mean by it's exceeded the low, because price has violated what bullish means. So it's finding a bit more of a resistance over here. So yeah, so that explains it. I got banged by GA so many times because the rejection is so deep. I hate it. I'm not gonna fuck with it anymore. Fair enough. Got those DA FOREX terminology. Oh my god. Adnan, I took GA sales and took 80% of my profit and stop loss at break even. Nice. Let's take a look at that chart over here. Yeah, people in Zoom, can you guys send me some charts I want to take a look at? There's 40 people in Zoom. Nice. If you guys all want to join this week, make sure to come and sign up. We've got a lot of stuff coming. Drop-in sessions tomorrow, all that good stuff. So yeah, get it. And then Wednesday is the simulation. Oh, got too many one of these. 1 second.
Where do you want your chart sent, Max?
In the Telegram, my man.
No
Telegram.
problem.
Thinking, yeah. Oh wow, so you got a GA trade over here when the one made the top wick and then just continued down. You had a nice tight stop loss as well, like 6 pips, 7 pips. That's nice. Stop loss to break even. You took some trades off. Nice. Didn't have a low wick, but you just got in on the flip of that 15. Worked well. Nice, nice, nice. With the tight stop loss, so pretty good. Gold coming off. Do 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 do. Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. Goldie! Chill out. Yeah, potentially it has a little bit of resistance here as well, to be honest. Look at that 5 minute. Look at the 5 minutes higher highs, higher lows all here. Shee! Looking nice. I'm gonna wait for this hourly to close. I think. Look at the hourly, because the hourly's got the resistance. So if this candle could potentially come back and close below here, and then I'm fucked. So I think waiting for the hourly is gonna give me an extra confirmation we're breaking this resistance it's got. So yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, I think that'll work out. 1 hour closure, and then you wait for the lower wick,
And the flip.
and then the flip, and then Bob's your uncle. Chee! Okay, that'll be nice. That'll be pretty good. That'll be pretty good. What's the accuracy of your signals? Depends on each week, but so last week was probably around about 70%, 60, 65. Week before was 87. Week before that was 87.5. So it depends on the week, but averaging around about 80. Yeah, boy. Yeah, so it looks good though. It looks like there is quite a lot of volume here, which is nice. That's what I'm wanting. That's what I'm seeing. Apart from GJ over here, just kind of being a wet wipe again. Yeah, I see markets is working fine for me. I think it's your MetaTrader maybe. MetaTrader. Right, let's take a look at Telegram over here, see if we got anything. So Benny Boy's got something over here, nice. So let's take a look at Pennyman as well. Ahmed, I'm not looking for sell at current support, Tim. Yeah, well now we'll be waiting for buyers over here, won't we? Solid clean candle set left side. Yeah, that's what we're looking for. Is this on GJ? Yeah, GJ. Next resistance anticipate price to reach here. Nice. You guys who are making noise over here. I think it's better to wait for support to be created in the 15 or the 5 minute. If the next 5 minute forms a decent bottom wick, then it could be an entry. Remember, guys, there's no rush. You can't just wait until 8 o'clock, because 8 o'clock will give you the volume you need. GG can be a salary play on the 30 if you close weak bearish. Potentially, yeah, if you get a weak bearish for sure. So you can see over here, Ben's looking potentially for buys above 1859, I think. I think we're all waiting for that nice closure, and then only sells below 1844. That seems reasonable. You can see there is a minor resistance right here, which will be here. Very, very true. Very, very true. I think that could be good. I think that would be good. Wait for a closure. Yeah, I think that would be nice. Wait for this closure will be delicious on the Goldie. But it is running off a lot at the moment, so bit annoying. Bit annoying. Bit annoying, mate. So much opportunity on a Monday morning, man. Let's take a look. If you've got him like right around here. Wow, that's rocketed. Damn, son. Gold on some X Games. Yeah, so what I tried on Friday, people asking me what trades did I take, and Well, we did one before, but I also tried. Where was it? Was it here? Yeah, this one here. 53, 2. Because basically, what I've been seeing is that I've seen, you know, my rule I say no bottom wicks, etc., etc. I won't enter. Well, I've been seeing at gold at certain times of the day, they don't really need that rule at all, and if they exceed, they just exceed, and you're in profits instantly. So I tried it on the 2 o'clock candle, which was right around here. Was it 2 o'clock? Take a look over here. Yeah, it was right here. 1 o'clock candle, sorry. The 1 o'clock candle, I got into an impulsive trade at these highs over here with stop loss below. Here, 17 pips. Right around here, I put my stop loss to break even. And then, yeah, we ran like 47 pips. And then I'm pretty sure I entered again somewhere. Because I got 60 pips that day. And then look, the same thing happened on the hourly here as well, 3 o'clock. Yeah, maybe the 3 o'clock is where I got in actually. So I think gold with the bottom wicks and top wicks, etc. If it runs off and breaks the highs exceeding straight away, you can get into profits pretty much instantly and then just put your stop loss to break even. So it's quite a good opportunity that. Holy shit, gold looks nice. I guess GJ won't be available for us this season. In it, GJ's like, hell no, I'm gonna play in this range. To be fair, I'm liking how it's not the 30 minutes not pushing down and closing in. For me, if the 30-minute closes, let's take a look over here. In the zone, like here in the zone, it's respecting this zone, so you know it could potentially come here and flip and continue down. However, if 30-minute closes above this zone over here, it's still respecting it as support. So I mean, potentially if this 15 closes bullish, strong, maybe. We'll have to see. Very, very delicate area. Hey Max, had FOMO this morning when price broke above the range and was pushing bullish. I jumped in and it came down. Gotta wait for confirmation now. Low risk because I wasn't confident. So you had FOMO. What trade was that? Was that the GJ? GJ one? GJ? Is that the one that GJ had no lower wick? If GJ has no lower wick, you can. If GJ has no lower wick, you have to be in and out quickly. Either have a break-even trade, and just expect price to run. And if not, it's going to be a burst of all a break-even trade. That's why for me, you'll see I always wait for a bottom wick on GJ, because just backtesting it a lot of the time, like it always makes one. Get that shit off. It always makes one, man. Like it may run off 10 pips and you may be okay, but most of the time it runs like 6-7 pips, wicks you out, and then I get in on the back on the flip, and then I'm good. So yeah, I hope this hourly doesn't really close like this. Bit doji, not the best. Quick question: how do you guys buy stocks? You use like a broker? I think I use to be fair, I don't really buy stocks anymore, but I use trading 212. People use like Vanguard and stuff, which does it for you. There's loads of different places. 100 people ready for London Open over here in 10 minutes time. Nice. 10 minutes time for this hourly closure. Good, good, good. 40 people in Zoom as well. Damn. So yeah, guys, later on NY session will be pretty good. So what am I going to say here, guys? Now the 4 hour on gold is going to be exceeding the high of the previous. It has exceeded the low though, however, but only a little minor fracture, to be honest. So it could be quite interessante. I would love gold to back off a little bit over here, see if we can get in and get the push. This is a nice zone as well. If you look at how big this zone is, like 65 pips. 65 pips, okay. Yeah, and as I said, I want enclosures above this zone 114 to give that extra confirmation. Max, that closure back in the range looks on so but choppy. Looks so good but choppy. Yeah. Yeah, and the 4 hours still bullish. The daily still bullish. So Very, very cautious with that. So if it closes back in the range like this, like we talk about, and the next one makes the top wick and then flips the 4 hour, this is one of our moves. However, it is coming back into stupid range. So like, look, this is the move that we talk about over here. Where is it? Let's take a look. Yeah, this one here. This is what it's gonna look like. Yeah. Bob's your uncle. That's literally drawn to the T. The 4 hours right where we want it. The daily is a bit high though. The daily's higher in here though. However, it's not even that far until these lows down here, so I'm probably just gonna wait until them lows are broken because it is in this range. I only like this when there's clean candles in here. It's just dodgy, shitty range. I think waiting for a closure below 826 will be nice. What if this hourly flips bullish? Well, think of it logically. The hourly's got 80 minutes left. So are you saying what if this flips now and then continues? Well, the hourly's closed in 8 minutes time. Is that enough time to then flip and continue bullish and make your 10, 20 pips? Probably not. So what's the best thing to wait for? Wait for the hourly to close. If this hourly flips, I'm still not going to enter trades. I'm going to wait for the closure because the closure is too close to the hourly. So yeah. Can you check Telegram? Yeah, for sure. Let's just get people off their mics over here who sound like breathing dogs. Let's take a look at Telegram over here. Beautiful, Stacy. These are going to be some nice charts over here. So, Stacy on GJ over here. Waiting for a current candle to give me a top wick. And on another 15-minute candle to respect the previous candle lows and continue bullish. After I see a candle closure, we'll look for a 7-pip wick down and take buys in the break of the high. Yeah, beautiful. Either breaking the high will be nice. Beautiful. So from start to finish, this is exactly what Stacey's looking for. She's looking for the current candle to make a top wick if it can do, and looking for kind of a closure, a more stronger bullish closure to then continue bullish. Then waiting for like a 7-pip wick down, which is what we always do. We wait for a nice top wick or bottom wick, and then take buys in the break. So she's saying on the break. Sometimes it's on the flip. Normally for me it depends on the situation, but here it looks like there's a lot of traffic. It'll be nice if you do get a break of the highs for sure. Easy peasy. Looking for buys above 1863. It will be closer to the daily flip, and I'll be more confident in that trade. Ah, that's fair enough. Beautiful. Yeah, there's a little bit of resistance here. That makes sense for sure. Beautiful. Very, very nice. I'll let my resistance here, then a nice zone to fill and flip the daily, which would be lovely. But yeah, beautiful. Very, very nice charts work. Simple. You support resistance. Very, very clean. That's what you want it to be, man. Don't make it hard on yourselves, guys. Don't make it hard on yourselves. Yeah, let me just do a little Instagram over here for you guys. Yeah, boy. So guys, if you do want to join all the squad, there's 80 of us. We're all messing about in NY session. Make sure to come and join the membership over here. I'm just gonna do a little thing for the Instagram. Sorry, we are live now on YouTube. Make sure to come and join the fun. Ready for London Open? Let's see what happens with GJ. Is it closing back in the range? We have to take a look over here. Live on YouTube. Beautiful. So, 5 minutes left. Getting a closure back in the zone over here. Oof. Another day. Let's get this back. Yeah, another week as well. Right, I'm going to quickly go blow my nose so I'm not fucking sneezing all the time. 1 second. Okay, 4 minutes left over here. I forgot to say, yeah, that I just seen Antonio. You can tag the YouTube in. That's sick. Now that you can actually do the links, like no matter how many
Yeah,
subscribers.
right.
That's sick, man.
Yeah, it's sick.
I'm gonna do that here. Yeah, I don't know why they did that. It works really well.
Yeah. They needed to do that a long time ago.
Innit? Because I was like, that's the only reason why I wanted like 10,000
Yeah, fact.
thingy bobs, whatever. Because I wanted to stream the shit. Let's take a look then. Where's the share button on this? There we go. Copy link. Nice. Okay, so it looks like GJ is going to be a fake out over here, guys. So, congrats to people who took these buys and got a break-even trade, because that was the best outcome. Okay. So closure, waiting for the bottom wick, came up to these highs over here. Should have been a break-even trade. So don't worry about it. Beautiful. The hourly is closing though bearish. No me gusta. 50 minutes relaxed over here. Damn, son. So, how could I get into gold potentially? Yeah, I kind of want to make a lower wick and then maybe exceed the high. We'll have to take a look. I'm going to wait over here. For me, the gold just runs so quickly at 8 o'clock. What if this hourly flips bullish? I talked about that before on GJ. Did you get into that GJ fake out? No, I did not. I was not streaming yet. A lot of my members did, and they all hit break even, so very, very happy. Louis goes, Chinese versus Indian food. Oof. Oh, it really depends. Oh, I like both of them. Depends what mood I'm in. Right, the thing is, right, in the morning, if I have a curry, I'll have my ass will be a bit sensitive. But if I have a Chinese, my mouth will be fucking horrendously dry in the morning because it's so salty. So it kind of depends which one I want. I just have both normally. Yeah, so closing back in the zone now. Look at the 5 minutes. Like, hell no, these buys are not coming in. We're staying in the zone for a bit longer, Max. A bit longer. Look at the hourly though. Hourly's closing bullish over here. Nice. Oh, looks like GJ is pushing down over here. So flipping the 4 hour. That's what we like to see. Hourly made no bottom wick on GJ. You are ill-disciplined if you took that trade, lol. Damn. No, they got in a bit before, but yeah, this hourly there was no bottom wick. I think was there? Yeah, the start. H1 top wick for potential sells. Potentially, but I did say that I may probably just wait until this zone. But yeah, potentially, if you get a closure like this and then a top wick and then a drive, yeah. So that'll be our zone over here, and then it'll be flipping into the 4 hour. That'd be nice, yeah. How do you feel about GA from 1.8253? It's just choppy here, man. It's right at support.
Max.
Yeah.
Gold 1 hour.
So 15 minutes closed bearish over here. It's making the hourly bottom wicks over here. It's just how to get in. Probably salary play. Stop loss below. Like,
wait for a decent bottom wick on the hour.
Yeah. If you got in right around here, it'd be 14 pips. Okay. Looking at the 30. Yeah. I mean, potentially, if this price comes down over here, then starts to flip, I may get in like that. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. But that was good they got the closure above. Yeah, very nice, very nice. Let's take a look at GJ. Oh, shit! Not much of a top wick on GJ, but that's fine. Just only waiting for 15 minutes time for a closure below over here. Wow, looks like a lot of volume's coming in over here. Nice. A lot of volume, a lot of volume. Good stuff. Are you looking for sales in GA below? I'm not really looking for sales in GA, to be honest. It's too choppy. I'm looking for breaks below 823 on GJ, and I'm looking for gold to make a bone wick. Ooh, okay. Yeah, this is continuing. For me, it's the 5 minute. Hourly's a lot of time though, to be honest. It's got 58 minutes left, but normally gold does run off straight away over here. I kind of want it to come to a certain zone.
1 hour highs, maybe.
Potentially, but then where's my stop gonna be? Just at this low?
Current candle.
Yeah, 18 pips. That ain't too bad, for sure. For sure. To be fair, what I'd prefer is like a 15 coming back down over here, and then the next one.
Support.
Yeah, like on resistance where it was, like here,
Yeah.
and then we can enter like here, stop loss below, and then
Yeah, push. Exactly.
that'll be nice. I think. Hourly's got 57 minutes time. Look at the hourly wicks. Look at them, like measuring them. They're all quite big. So hopefully we can get a nice little bottom wick over here. If not, then yeah, I mean potentially on the high. We have to see. I want a bigger bottom wick than that, really. 120 people in the live. Jeez, we're doing well on a Monday morning. Damn. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, make sure you like the stream. We're waiting for GJ to close below, which potentially will happen in 12 minutes time. To ride that bitch downtown. Looking at the daily now. Daily's very, very weak bullish. 4 hour is bearish, rejecting the highs. Hourly's coming down. 30 minutes coming down. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. So that is tasty. Come on, push a bit further down, my boy. Push a bit further down, my boy. As you can see, the low of the previous, so but it is just the start of the hourly, so we do expect that. 4 hour hasn't exceeded highs yet, but should potentially do soon with all that volume coming in. Hourly made no, but we're good, GG. So what are people thinking on YouTube for gold over here? What are people looking at? Are you looking for celery? Are you looking for getting in now? What are you thinking? If you got in now on the 30 minute, I'd just stop B. Yeah. Got a big stop over here. To be honest, like a stop loss below in this zone would be quite nice, to be honest. Because if you get in here, that's still going to be the same size stop. We got such a nice zone to fill up, boy. We still got 55 minutes left of the candle, so a long time over here. If I get in, if it's broke the 5 minute high. Wow, this is a very, very loud song over here. Holy shit. So European gold could be great. Yeah, I think so. 5 minute making a little mini support over here. Nice. Yeah. That 5 minute making some support is pretty tasty. Come down and make a little wick and then flip, maybe. Maybe trying to get in a bit early over here. If it retests 1859 and makes support, I'll buy. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for too as well. That's what I'm looking for as well. Because that hourly is just strong closure. GJ, you bussin'. GJ is bussin', yes! Nice. 9 minutes time for me to then take a look at some trades over here. Potentially to continue down. What I'm going to be looking for. Closure like this. Next one, make a top wick, and then boom, bitch. Get rid of all of this traffic. Fly down. That'll be bussing for me. 120 people in on a Monday. That's amazing. Monday mornings. Damn. So price is coming back down again. On the 5 minute. Look at the 15. Yeah. What's your view in GU? What is your view in GU? Send me a chart. I'll take a look at it, and then I'll analyze GU in a sec. I'm just busy thinking about Goldie over here. Trying to look at a 5 minute play, I'm not gonna lie. I may try and take a 5 minute play with a 10 pip stop, I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Yeah. It's already done it, motherfucker. Coming up over here, it's gonna be a celery. Potentially 7 minutes left. Nice. I wanted to get in on that 5 minute. I'm not gonna lie. I was gonna write out the signal, but it pushed straight away. 30 minutes coming up now. Hourly's coming, looking pretty tasty. Where's my stop gonna be? That is the issue. That is the only issue I have. Yeah, it's a 20 pip stop. Oof, that's why I wanted to get on the 5 minute 20 pip stops. You know, I can take 20 pip stops, but they are quite beefy. Potentially, maybe waiting in 6 minutes time for a closure. Right, let me just try and write some stuff over here, guys. There we go. So if I got in on that 5 minute over here, right here, I'd have my stop loss to break even here. Wow, 50 pips. So it's all good if it comes down anyway. Looking at the 15, hasn't exceeded the high of the previous yet. Still chilling. It is still chilling. Let's take a look at GJ. Oof, yeah, 5 minutes time for GJ as well. So kind of a lot going on over here now. This is good though. Finally, some volume, some momentum. We're looking good. I prefer a bit more of a lower wick for the support to form on gold over here, but I think I'll be watching GJ in a second, and then gold will just start to fly. 5 minutes left over here. Look at the 5 minute rejecting again. It's just chilling. I'm very happy with this GJ now. Hopefully right around this area. Give me some momentum, give me some volume. 5 minute closed a little doji over here. Four minutes left of the 15. Probably best to just wait for the 15 over here, I think. Probably just best. Who's taking a trade yet? Did anyone take a GJ sell just impulsively? If you did, naughty. Is there much of an hourly top wick? Oh, there is not. There is not. There's a little one. I mean, at least it's there. That's all I care about. If it's not there, then there's an issue. But it's there, so I'm not really too asked about it. You're in gold buys, nice. Where's your stop loss gonna be? Where is your stop loss gonna be? So 1860. 1850. Below the 30-minute. What, here? Fucking hell. Wow. Big stop. Big boy stops. Big boy stops. I'm really tempted to just get in now with this stop loss below over here. 8 pip stop. Oof. I might just wait for the goodbye GJ. Is GJ gone? Nah, it's good, it's good, perfect, perfect. It's not gone yet. It is not gone yet. It is not gone yet over here. My terminal is so different. The reason why I'm using a Wanda is because, you know, the daily on the FXCM looks like shit. No me gusta, the daily. No me gusta. Let's take a look on gold over here. So if I got in with a nice 8 pip stop right about now. I am in a gold sell. Should I hold or take profit right now? I'd probably take profit if it exceeds. Yeah, I'd just take profit, to be honest. It's closed above. It's pretty bullish. It's bullish on the higher time frames as well. 1 second. I'll take a look at the charts in a sec. I'm just watching Goldilocks over here. Here we go. 2 minutes time. Yeah, on the 5 minute. That's what I was thinking of as well. Yeah, potentially buys above. Sorry, a closure. And exceeding the highs of like 162.3. 1 second. To continue bullish could be pretty decent over here. The 1864 and then 1867 will be pretty decent. So a minute's time though, getting a closure of the 15. Tasty, tasty. Looking pretty solid to potentially continue, I think. I took GJ sell off our fake out. Nice. Actually gotten a bit earlier over here. Delicious, delicious. Let's take a look as well on GJ. Getting a closure in 50 seconds time. It's all looking pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. It's come close to that support over here. Kind of want the closure below. It's already pushed down the zone quite a lot though. I'm not gonna lie. Gold is coming up over here. 25 seconds left for a closure. Make a little bottom wick and then continue exceeding the highs. And we should be away. Sorry, exceed the highs over here, but I'm just waiting for this closure in the 15 in 12 seconds time to make the lower wick. And then the lower wick will give me a time where I can take off 50%. That's why I'm waiting for it. Do you get me? So yeah, that's what I'm looking for over here. Nice. 4 time frame breaking highs looks promising. Yeah. This could potentially start to continue over here, and wow. I wish I got it on that 5 minute over here. That would have been tasty. Yes. I'm still waiting for a lower wick to form. If it wants to run off like this, then that's fine. 10 pips hit close to 50%. Nice, you get in lower over here. Beautiful. Very, very tasty. Very, very tasty. Let's take a look at where GJ closed. Oh, GJ, you naughty, naughty. GJ did not close. Damn, Daniel, that's fucking horrendous. Very, very horrendous over here. Come on, give me a nice bottom wick so I can have a nice stop loss. Right around here. Because you know most candles make a bottom wick and a top wick, so getting in straight away is probably not the best. And yeah. Wicked, wicked, wicked. So this is pushing down now nicely. So for me, I'm going to have a buy stop right at this flip over here. Right around here. It's made the bottom wick for me now. It's closed above again. If we do flip this, oof. And it's going to be making the stop loss for me right now, which is what I like. So beautiful. So make sure to check on your terminal. Is it the same for me? It actually is. So I'm kind of happy with that. So buy stop 18. Stop loss is going to be wherever this low is, actually. So that's going to be really, really nice. It's going to give us a good stop loss now to continue. And then, yeah, I'll manage that as it is. Beautiful. What about the support, which is on the left? Nah, it's pretty clean, to be honest. 30 minutes clean, my man. So, not really too asked about that. The support, what do you mean the support? Like here? This kind of stuff? This is towards the end of the day, so not really too bothered. This minor one here, this will be fine if you get the flip to continue bullish. I'm happy with that. I think it's looking goody. I should get the flip. And my stop loss now is going to be so much tighter, so I'm a lot better than that. This is what... This is what the opening that I was asking about in the simulation, like the top wick first. Okay, I get you. Yeah, making the top wick first is a bit of a pain in the asshole. But then it normally continues after when we get the flip. But look, made the stop loss now. So for me, I've gone from a 20 pip stop to a 7 pip stop. Beautiful. Because I think if we should flip here and exceed these highs again, we should continue bullish and not come back to this low. So a 7 pip stop I'll take all day, every day. The minor resistance, little one here. Yeah, not really too bad because the 30 minutes clean. The 15 is alright. We're at perfect time with high volume. We should start to continue. We've made support on the 5 minutes. The 15 minutes closed above, so it'll be a no-brainer to take this, to be honest. As I said with GJ, we are still waiting for the closure, which will happen on the 30-minute time frame now. Because for some retarded reason, the 15-minute didn't close below. So this zone right here is very, very, you have to be very, very careful. And I'm only waiting for a closure. If this was like high volume time and there's good like volume, I'd potentially take some trades. But because we know GJ is in a range with a bad price action at the moment, I'm only waiting for closures. So that's what I'm going to be doing over here. And waiting for the 30-minute is going to give me that potentially. So that'll be nice. And yeah, beautiful. So there we go. That's why you wait for the low wick over here on the 15. 30-minute looking nice. Has exceeded the highs though. The hourly's got 40 minutes left. Gorgeous. Hopefully I can get that nice push above to continue bullish. So yeah, beautiful. Come on, boy, flip that candle and start pushing.
Max, I wanted to ask, if the previous 50-minute with no top wick, it doesn't really matter.
No, that doesn't matter. That doesn't. No, it doesn't matter now because it's closed. The candle's closed now. So knowing that the candle's closed, you know, it hasn't made a top wick. Yeah, but we didn't enter in that candle anyway, so it's all good. It just shows a lot of bullish momentum. I don't really mind that, to be honest. It's all goody. Still 9 minutes left, perfect time for a trade on the 15-minute. I normally like my trades in the 15 minutes to be around about 7 minutes left, because it's got half the time for the candle, half the time to make the bottom wick, and half the time to drive up. So around about 7 minutes would be nice to continue if we can. Yeah, boy. Daily's still bearish over here, but making some nice wicks, rejecting the lows. If he hasn't exceeded the highs yet, so sorry, the lows. So very, very nice. 4 hours with us as well, making some strong bullish confirmations, exceeding highs of previouses. So yeah, I'll be waiting. If this comes towards about 3 minutes and we still haven't flipped, then I'm going to delete it. And it looks like we are making some resistance over here. You get me? So waiting for the lower wick really just help you. 5 minute ain't looking too good. Yeah, rejected, rejected. I think if you do it come and exceed and flip again, though, will be nice. So 8 minutes left for GJ to get me that nice closure to ride that down with a bit of volume. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, make sure you like the stream. It's another week in paradise chilling over here. Unfortunately, the past week has been very, very rangy, but hopefully we can get past it this week and we can get some nice trades. Antonio, did you take any trades last week or not?
Yeah, I did. I think I took like 2 trades actually. 2 or 3 trades.
Nice. Yeah, it was okay. It was very, very choppy. Towards the end of the week was a bit better, but
yeah.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday were hard.
The daily flip strategy as well. Yeah, so
the daily flips. The daily flips. Nice. Oh shit! A lot of volume coming in over here. My goal has been activated. That felt like news. What the fuck? That was mad. Taking a buy over here. Stop loss is below the current candle low at 1861.6 to continue bullish. We've flipped the 15s, made the lower wick. Very nice stop loss. I'll take this stop loss any day, especially for the zone we're coming in. So let me just edit the stop loss because the stop losses came down a bit further. Very, very tight stop loss, so I'm very, very happy to take this loss if you can. Managing risk, I don't think I really need to because my stop's so tight. So yeah, I'm not asked. Should continue bullish over here. Mine too, nice. Yeah, hopefully we can continue. If not, then beautiful. But a lot of volume came in here. It was like down, like price just making it low and then just started flipping instantly. And the 5 minute is starting to continue over here. Just needs to push above that little resistance it's got on the 5 minute to continue. It would be nice to fill the zone up over here. Come to its highs that it needs to come to. It misses the highs. It's like, yes, get me to them all-time highs again, please. So hopefully we can continue over here. I'll tell you when I'll put my stops to break even, etc, etc. But yeah, I'm not really going to manage this risk over here because my stop loss is 7 pips, so there's no need to. And yeah, beautiful.
Yeah, as well.
Nice, nice, nice. It's good risk to reward, man. Our stops are really tight and we could easily flip that daily, which would be delicious. So yeah. Up around about 7. Oh shit! TP1 hit over here. Stop loss to break even over here, man. Top loss to break even.
Shit!
That's
TP1 hit, my guy.
Nice. That was tasty, 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 tasty. Now stop loss to break even. Hope it can continue. If it can't continue, that's grand. TP1 hit. Beautiful. That was quick. Beautiful. Now my runner got hit out over here. Damn! Beautiful! Beautiful, beautiful. Easy peasy. Beautiful, guys. WW. You have to get out that. Mine hit 10 pips. I fucking clicked my button quick. Nice. Beautiful. Easy peasy. Dubs in the chat. I told you guys, if you wait for that wick and the continuation, you'll get in. You have to be in and out. It was too fast. Oliver, you need magic keys, my boy. www. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Congrats, guys. Easy peasy to start off the week. Let's take a look over here.
Thank you.
I didn't even get a chance to close anything.
Did you not?
I literally got to move my stops to break even and then it stopped me out of break even.
Wow. To be fair, it should continue over here, the 15. Beautiful. Yeah, if you're trading gold and you don't have magic keys, bro, you need it. Hit TP. Beautiful. So Raul set his TP.
You know I got a magic key.
Yeah, bro.
You know I got a magic key. I'm just not using it. I don't know why.
Wow. Get some W's in the chat there, guys. Hopefully you guys caught that over here. Nice 10 pips in the space of like 3 seconds. It should continue bullish over here. I'm looking at the 5 minute, and it should be continuing to fill that wick up over here. Damn, that was tasty. So that was a nice 10 pip trade with a 7 pip stop loss over here. Beautiful, beautiful. We just got some dubs over here. We got a gold buy. We bought on the flip of the 15 over here. Very, very quick 10 pips with a stop loss, which was only 7 pips. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice, easy peasy.
Max, did you only close 50% or did you close?
I closed 70. Yeah,
okay.
my custom was 70. Yeah, boy. Beautiful, guys. Should we continue? If you guys have held that anyway, it should be continuing. Let's see if you... Did anyone hold this trade? Is anyone still in it? And give it a bit more room? So quick was very, very... You're still in. Nice. I think now...
I've closed half. I just got runners.
Nice, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, I think now stop us to break even. It's tapped it once, it's tapped it twice. It shouldn't come back now. It should continue bullish over here. Yeah, looking at the 1 minute there. Oh, as long as it keeps below it, it'll be nice to continue bullish to fill up that zone. Tasty. There we go though. That was a 0 drawdown trade. I didn't see no red on my screen. That was tasty. Make sure to run up them W's, guys. I want loads of W's. Get some W's in the chat. 127 people. And then I'm going to be looking for GJ as well. So there should be another trade coming potentially. Jeez! Beautiful, beautiful. And continued over here. So people in this trade now still holding the trade who wanted to keep on a bit of fire. You should be good now. Obviously stop loss to break evens just because it shouldn't come back now to this zone. It's breaking from its little zone it's made, which is the resistance here and support here. It should be continuing to fill the next zone up, which is nice and tasty. Beautiful. Looks like a lot of people got out of break even here, but if you did hold it as well, ran nicely. I got my nice little trade though. Let's take a look at GJ closing in 2 minutes time. I'm really wanting that solid closure, so gonna have to wait over here. Let me just trades called, trades taken, gold plus 10 pips. Nice, beautiful. Wow, I was like, I'm up about. I was saying like, oh, I'm up about 2 pips now, and I went to 10. I was like, what the fuck, jeez. Nice. Surely you want it to fill a range, for sure. Of course I want it to fill a range.
How much did you close? 80?
I closed 70. Yeah, my close custom on that is 70 on gold. I forgot to change it to 80. But I was happy with that anyway. Beautiful. It should continue. Huh?
You put the partial take profit, or you close manually?
I closed manually. Yeah, when I saw that 10, I bopped that bitch. I bopped that close custom. Oh! Nice. So yeah, I mean, people still in this now. Love Pips is in this. It should be continuing now. Oh no, I wish I could hold this bitch on. I think this would be nice to continue over here.
GJ seems to be closing low.
Yep. We're looking for GJ over here. Oh, nice! Alright, let me get this fucking signal ready. So, you know exactly, guys, what I'm going to be saying. What am I looking for, GJ? I'm waiting for this closure, waiting for the top wick, and then boom, bitch! Thing is, it's already rejected it twice, so this could potentially run quite quickly, so I'm going to have to be pretty careful over here. Oh, wow, 380. This should be 580. Closure now, beautiful. So it's finally got a closure below over here. These wicks are a bit of a pain in the asshole, but I think there could be potential over here to continue. Looks like gold is running off, so screw you guys who held that on. Nice dirty closure below. Nice, okay, beautiful. So how am I gonna get in? Well, where's the stop loss right now if I got in? 7 pips? Oh yes! Wait, what would I do if I got in on these lows over here? 12 pips or 13 pips? I may potentially get in on this flip over here with a stop loss above. I want it to make a bit more of a top wick, but this potentially could be the entry. Let's take a look over here at GJ. So let's look at the 5 minute. trying to see what would be the nicest kind of play to take. The only issue is that we have a little wicks and we have a little support over here, which is a bit annoying. So I kind of want to get in on the flip, as long as we reject these highs again. Because if I get in on the flip, my stop loss is like 9 pips. That's tasty. And it'll be rejecting the zone like the third time. Yeah, this is good now. Okay. I'm gonna get in on the low of it's just made here, so 803. Oh my god. Stop loss 899. Oh no, not sell now. Oh shit, 1 second. Sell stop. So made the top wick, we've got the closure below, which I want. And now I'm gonna bust this bitch open. Okay, market pending. Right, okay, so we've got it on the low at 801. Stop loss is above. Nice 9 pips stop. I'm going to see how to manage risk though, but yeah, so the 30-minute what I like is we've closed below now. Strong candle. If we make the top wick, which is what we've done, and then flip, we should be continuing here. Nice. Looks like gold over here. How far did this reach? Oh, if this flips over here. If this flips over here. But you should be taking some profits there anyway, guys, who kept it on a bit longer than me. And yeah, beautiful. So, let's update our wall over here. Nice start. Oh, I did that. Beautiful. How far did this run over here, though? Yeah, 12 pips. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. So for me, yeah, I think now what we're doing is this candle's just opened, the 30-minute. It's making resistance in this zone. When we do flip and exceed, we're leaving the zone for the second time now to continue bearish. So very, very happy with this trade. Stop loss is pretty good. Do you always risk 1%? I don't risk 1%. I risk 1.4 on GJ. I risk 0.7 on gold. If it's 10 pips, if it's 20 pips on gold, then it's 1.4. I like 1.4%. I don't know why, I just like it. But that's just your own kind of comfort level. Some people like more, some people like less. You can't really learn that from someone. You just have to see what you like. Max is so transparent with his trades. Well, I just thought like I saw like other streamers and stuff, and then they'll say like, oh, I'm in this trade now, and it's already done like halfway. It's like, well, why the fuck? Why do you say that now? Is it because you're scared that if you take a losing trade, like if you like? I used to see people do this to go, they'll just be watching it here. They'll be watching gold, and they go, they'll get rid of this and go, right, I've been in this trade. I'm taking profits now. I got in like here, and they didn't tell anyone. It's like, well, is it because you didn't really know if it was gonna
Roger
work?
was guilty of that plenty of times.
Yeah, it's like, is it because you're a bit guilty of your entry, or is it because you know you like? I'd rather just be ballsy and just say I'm getting in here.
That happened to me a couple of times when I was looking at Roger's stream.
Yeah, and you're like, fuck's sake, Roger, tell me. Sell stop. Right, this zone. So it's doing exactly what I want it to do. It's made the top wick, hasn't exceeded the high of the previous 15. Should be coming downtown now. Got a nice clean zone to fill. I mean, a little bit of resistance here. When we come to that kind of zone, 777 like area, I'll be stopping my stop loss to break even as well. So yeah, we chilling though. The good thing is waiting for the top wick. You don't have to be worried about getting faked out because it's just playing around this zone. When it gets enough momentum, look at the time. 25 minutes left of this candle. We've got ages. Then we should, towards the 12 minutes, then we should get the volume to the flip and then continue. And there's some big zones to fill over here, so nice. 70 likes, guys. If you guys have learned something today or took that beautiful trade, which was 0 drawdown and took about 2 seconds, congrats. Is it continued actually? No. Made the low wick. To be fair, if we got in here, it's gonna be tapping us out now at break even with the things. Shame. That 5 minute here is what I was looking at. Oh, that would have been tasty. A 5 minute closure here as well. Actually, was quite nice. 740. She. Now, GJ, you help us out here, my man. So I'm picturing what I want to see. I've pictured this at the start. If you go back on the recap, you'll see this is exactly what I pictured. Make the top wick, closure below, get the flip, clean candles to the left. Well, not really clean to be honest, but sorry, big space, nice space to fill, with a decent stop loss as well. So let's see if this works. If it doesn't, then tough shit. Where was your gold entry? 1862.3. 1862.3. Yeah. So if you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe. I haven't actually heard anyone subscribe today. No! We need to get some subscribers up. Some giveaways coming. I think I'm going to do a Magic Keys giveaway this Friday on the charts over here. So if you guys are in Discord, as I said last week, you need to put your charts in here. So look, Brian's already done it. He was looking for buys above, sells below. Same kind of thing as last week. We're chilling. And Jason as well. A closure above. Waiting for some candles to make some support resistance, etc. You look, you maybe took that buy? Potentially. But beautiful. Very, very easy peasy. Yeah, so make sure to join the Discord. The Discord link will be here. Yeah, Nightbot just put it in. Make sure to look at the Discord. If you guys do want to join us to NY and learn how to trade properly whilst you're earning, make sure to come and join the mentorship. It's the start of a new week. Perfect time to do it. We have over like 20 webinars in there now. We've got loads of simulations. They bring out new ones every week. And we've got a good community. We talk basically all day on that with the boys and girls. It's pretty fun. We have a good chat, talk about things. Sometimes they're taking moves when I'm not even there, and they're amazing. So really, really good place to be if you guys do want to learn. Morning, brother. Had the worst sleep. Oh, that's the worst, man. I normally have quite good sleeps, unfortunately. So sorry to rub it in. I have some good ass sleeps. So 6 minutes time, right? So what am I going to be saying? Someone tell me what I'm going to be saying. Oh, we got a subscriber. Thank you, Marvin, for subscribing. Someone in Zoom tell me what I'm going to be saying like right now. You know, 6 minutes left. What am I going to be thinking? What should I be taking? What shouldn't I be taking?
I think in 2 minutes maybe we delete the sell stop.
Potentially, yeah.
We don't want it to come and re-break its own high.
Yeah.
Or the previous 15.
Yeah, 100% we delete it. Break the high.
Yep. Another thing, you know, if this candle closes strong, what does that mean we can't really do? We can't do a celery, okay? So the only thing I can see here now is if this 15-minute closes weak, which means the wick of the candle here is quite long, and the body is like right around this level, then if we do exceed the low, then it's going to be a celery play, and I can take that, okay? But on one condition, it's if the candle closes with a long body. If it closes strong, like if it closes right where it is now like that, then that's not good enough for me. It's closing back in the range strong, holding support. It needs to close weak. So I'll show you what I mean by the celery play if people aren't here. Something like this. I need this candle that's just pushing up over here to be weak with a top wick, a nice top wick. Okay, beautiful. And then I'll be fine because that still coordinates with the 30. So, but yeah, if we do exceed highs and come back in the zone, it's going to be too far. But at the moment, the 30 is still okay. Still got 20 minutes left. As long as the 15 closes a bit weak over here, I've still got my sell stop activated. Still think it could be good to continue because I'm looking at on the 30 really. So we'll take a look and see what happens over here. Oh, we're going to be flipping over here. That's fine. We've got enough time. Am I gonna get in? Am I gonna get in? Am I gonna get in?
Ja, dit gaat vandaag.
I'm in a trade.
Yep, I'm in a.
Oh my god!
What the fuck is that? 4 minutes left of this candle. Reject the high. 30 minutes coming with us. Now push down, you pussy! Push down! I don't want any drawdown! I'm the Zoro drawdown king. So how am I going to manage risk over here, guys? For me, if we come back to this daily over here, I'm going to put 50% off because I don't want it to come back to that zone anymore. Hell no. So 50% off at around about 4 pips is beautiful. That's what I want to see. I want this 5 minutes to continue. If it can't continue, then it's really respecting the highs over here. Let's just take a look. Activated. Take 50% off at 152.848. Yeah, so I'm always thinking about how to manage my trade, because why would I want this candle? I want this candle to push now and drive. Why would I want it to then come back up and flip the daily again? I don't want it to. I want it to continue down, bearish, breaking the zones. My grandma asked if you can stop randomly yelling. You can wait for the 15 low? Yeah, potentially. I think that was nice though. Nice.
Yo, Max, can you explain that? Can you explain that where you're gonna be closing 50% in a losing scenario and why again, please?
Because so looking at the 5 minute, the way to manage a trade is looking at the lower time frames. You can see if price comes back over here, if you start to see price come back like up here, it's respecting the support again and flipping the daily, because the daily's there as well, and it should be, if price comes back over here, it's potentially going to come and start to come back into this zone. So it's just a way of managing your trade in the lower time frames to really manage your trade. You know, I want, when we enter, we get in on flips, we get where there's lots of volume. I don't want price to then, you know, ponder in where we're in and start to come back up bullish. You know, it's just a way to manage your trade with the lower time frames. Very, very simple.
So smart, bro. Thank you.
No bother. Coming towards this little miner over here, so people who are a bit more risk averse, you could potentially have the stops to break even here, but I think we should break this now. And we will break this because I am a G. Nah, I'm joking. Could still lose this trade over here. Someone's keyboard's very fucking loud. Sorry, Michael. Let's just
Sorry, man.
Don't worry. So, coming around about 4 pips profit over here. Looking nice. This is going to be 2 wins for the stream. Maybe, maybe not. Coming towards this little miner, which I don't really like, I'm not going to lie. But I still think with the volume, we've exceeded the lows now, it should be continuing. So I'm just going to give it a bit more leg room. And yeah, beautiful. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet and you've learned something about me, make sure to learn something about trading, learn something about the streams. Make sure you give it a like and a subscribe over here. Hopefully we can continue.
After we close on 15, we can put our stop loss above the current candle.
Yeah, like here. Yeah, that's what I do.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Come on, give me that push. I'm seeing the volume is starting to chill over here, but it's just gonna get closure in a minute's time. Still happy with this trade over here, getting out at 850 level. And if it can't reject this low again, if it can't push past this low again, then unfortunately GJ is still chalked, and that'll be a real shame because I think we could really move off from this bitch. So let's just see if you can. Give me that volume. Give me that push. So I've got my magic keys here and I'm ready to take off 50% when we come here. So if you guys do want some magic keys, the link is in the bio. It's like 19 quid for them and they'll save your ass. Getting 15 closure. So now what am I going to be doing? I'm putting my stop loss to the high now here, 1888. We shouldn't exceed that high. You get me? So move the stop loss even further. Now I've got an 8 pip stop. Absolutely delicious. If it wants to continue, fine. If it wants to come up and hit my 50%, then it can do that as well. We'll have to see over here. Is making the top wick at the 15, so beautiful. That's a shame that 5 minute didn't close below, unfortunately. But we'll see over here.
Sorry, Max. So closing 50% at the break of the 5 minute high, right?
Right at this low, yeah, like
candle.
right around this area, yeah. You could put it high if you want. So I think I'm gonna get a bit more room, like here, 860. Let me just put that in the chat. Let me just 860. because this 5 minutes now is giving me a bit like oof, because we didn't close solidly below. I still think it's good on the 30, but for me, I'm just wanting to manage my risk because there's no point. You know, you can get into beautiful trades, but if you can't manage your risk, you're a fucking retard. You have to be able to manage. So right around this level, 860. My stop loss is here. I'm gonna be closing some more, but it's giving it a bit of more room in the 15. It's fine. Still did close bearish, but yeah. I wanted the push there. You could see where the push was, and now it hasn't done that. I am ready to take out my losses. GG just ranging hard, yeah. So coming up over here, I'm going to be closing half right now. Beautiful. I've closed half over here, and it looks like it's rejecting this support over here. Nice. Beautiful. Well done, GG, you fucking retard. Look at the 5 minute. Oh my god. GG, break out of this range, please, for the love of God. So still in this trade right now. Obviously closed off half to manage my risk. And beautiful.
Good stop out.
Break even for the day. Yeah, man. It's still it's, as I said, still Monday. Monday and Tuesday are gonna be very, very rangy. You have to take your time with it. And yeah. Since early 2020? What? Nah, GJ's been sick. I smashed GJ last couple of weeks. Not this week. So I'm out now, guys. Completely rejecting them highs, them lows again. And wow, amazing. That is GJ just completely chalked again. But so from this is the thing, right, guys? I got in here from a 10 pip stop to a then 8 pip stop, and I closed half at 6 or 5. So for me, I actually took a 7 pip loss there over here. So let's just add this onto the chart over here. 1 second. And if that was any other day, that would have been flying to TP straight away. But unfortunately, GJ cannot run over here. GJ minus 7 pips. Beautiful. So mixed bag of results today. War Daddy's not. It hasn't been here for a while. Bless him. Beautiful, beautiful. Beyond Golden took and GG bad luck. You have to be in all of them, man. Wow. I mean. That is mad. So the 15 minute has still got 11 minutes time. So has the 30 minute on GJ over here. Nice. So yeah, beautiful. We have to chill. We have to wait. For me, it's going to be very, very hard to take trades on GJ. We need to wait for the low break. But I think that was a good option. I would take that all day, every day. And unfortunately, it couldn't follow through. Bro, sell high, buy low. Yeah, if it was that easy, man. You'd be a billionaire and you wouldn't be on my stream, so clearly it isn't working for you. 30 minute coming up over here though, coming back into the zone. No trade zone over here. No me gusta, no me gusta. Dude. Wow. No me gusta, no me gusta. So for me, I'm gonna be waiting now for, let's take a look over here. Let's take a look at the potentially at 153, 114 for buys, but really respecting them lows again. So for me, it's going to be hard to take sells again. We've tried it once, and I can't really do anything else over here. Very, very chalked. GG, come on, man! You're my baby. Just fucking. Oh my god! Holy shit! Look what gold did. Shee. So start of a week, I've got a break even. Start to the week. It's fine. 1 win, 1 loss. All good, all good. That is completely fine. Look at the hourly coming down now, rejecting. Look at that 4-hour flip. Exceed the high though and exceed the low. So it looks like a lot of pairs over here are a bit rangy. Let's take a look at GJ on the daily now. Can you see where we are on the daily? The daily is just right around where the flip is. So a very, very, very big pain in the ass. And yeah, did anyone take any GU trades today? I have to see. Gold is gold, man. Fuck GJ. Yeah. It's just because it's in that zone, but you know, I think that was a nice option to come back and flip, and it came into some profits. Potentially, I maybe should have put on my stop loss to break even, but I wanted to get a bit more room to continue, and it was not having it at all. It was not having it at all.
I think was a good idea after we breaking the lows. We can close 50% if we come back on entry.
That's true.
What do you think about it?
That's true, but then I think if it comes back to entry, that's very. It's only like 3 pips. I mean, yeah, but that's all. That's what you can think. You know, if you want that for sure, I think that could be good. For sure. I'm gonna wait for a second. 9 minutes left. Let's see over here. I think it was a good idea to keep it open to give the 15-minute room to create top wick. But what like before? Because I think it's not open now. It would have flown. You mean before? Yeah. That's what I thought. Give it a 15-minute bit more top wick to then continue down. But looking at the 5-minute now, I'm really respecting it. Bro, GJ Daily, I'm not talking to fib level, shut the fuck up. Yes, I actually closed 40% when it broke the low and back to my break even. Beautiful, man, beautiful. Amazing risk management. If you guys go back to my live streams from, not last week, 'cause last week was choked as well, the weeks before, you can see that entry was a very, very easy entry that we take on a daily basis. And we, you know, the thing is, at the start we got straight into profit. It should have continued here and it would have been beautiful, but you know, when the price action's bad, you have to be able to manage the trade. So, and that's what we did perfectly. So managing, like, this is what I liked, you know, when I looked at Raj's streams when I was learning, I realized that the streams that I was most engaged with were his losing days. So when I used to go through and backtest, I used to look at his losing days and how he managed them. So yeah. Are you a scalper? I just can't be asked for you, to be honest. There we go. Wait, how do I fucking get rid of this kid? Bro, look at GA. Let's take a look. I think GA is just continuing down. I don't really like the confirmations, to be honest.
15-minute celery just happened on GA.
Let's take a look over here. Yeah, but the candle here was very, very weak as well. This is like a doji for me. It's not. Let's take a look at the hourly though. So the 8 o'clock opened here. Look at the 4 hour. Yeah, it's just not nice. The hourly doesn't really have much of a top wick either, so for me, I wouldn't be taking any of them. And yeah. Oh, do you want to come back down on me now, GJ, you little shit? I'll take a look at the 5 minutes. If we start breaking these lows again, I may potentially enter again. If you guys don't want to enter though, I can completely agree with that. I just think I want to give it a second chance, maybe. Rejected the highs again on the 30. 6 minutes left though. We've been actually seeing recently the prices moving quite quickly on 30 minutes towards the end of the candle. I may try and take this again. Looking at the 5 minute, rejecting them lows again. I'm going to take this on the flip. Okay, if you guys don't want to take it though, I completely get that. The flip of the 15. And my stop loss, I'm going to try and look on the 5 minute. Yeah, my stop's going to be here. Right, I've entered a trade over here. If you guys don't want to take this, that's fine. If you do want to take it, have fun. It's a 5 minute play. We should be breaking these lows again. We've done it once. We should be doing it again. Potentially. Yeah. And if it doesn't want to, then that's fine. That's all good. That's all goody. Even with the 1 hour close, let's take a look over here. And we're in 5 minutes. That's a good point. I may actually wait. Yeah, that's a good point. I'll wait. I'll wait. I'm not in this trade, guys. Very, very good. Wow, thank you for fucking telling me. Holy shit, it's the hourly. Holy shit, I was like, oh my fucking god. Yeah, I'd wait, Oliver. I'd just get out right now. Wait for the hourly, because the hourly is going to give us a bit more closures, I think. Fucking hell, I thought it was 8:30. Holy shit. Okay, it doesn't matter. Wait for this hourly, because if this hourly over here doesn't close below, then it's going to be a bit of a shame for us. So wait for the hourly. God damn, thanks you guys for telling me that. Holy shit. Yeah, I think waiting for the hourly is going to be a bit more of a confirmation over here. But looks like it's still being a bit of a pain in the ass, so I may just leave it. Oh, wow. So looks like gold is flipping the 4 hour right about now. Let's take a look over here on the 4 hour. Nice, yeah, flipping the 4 hour. But as I said, you know, gold isn't a sell until you get back down to these lows. I'm not gonna lie. 1844, and yeah. So it says gotta wait for NY, the holy session. Yeah, the holy moly session. The session where you get the good trades in. GA over here, nice. Look at GJ, bless it. Look at GJ. It's like, yes, I want to leave the zone. I'm like, well, fucking leave it then. Leave the zone. Right, 3 minutes time for the closure. Du, 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 du. Du, 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 du. 3 minutes time. You did enter that trade. I closed at like -1 pip. Yeah, I did enter it. You know that I said, but then I said, actually no, I'm gonna get out of that bitch. I'm gonna wait for the hourly. And the reason why we wait for hourly is because we wait for the top wick to continue and to make the top wick and then to continue down. Okay, so hourlies make big top wicks and they normally happen between the first like 15 and 20 minutes of the candles. So for sure you have to wait for that. But to be honest, good London Open for gold. Yeah, London Open for gold was pretty good. For sure, for sure. Wait for the 1 hour top wick, then sell. Thoughts? I think that's what I'm waiting for over here. Oh wow, GP card, that looks good, yeah. 4 hour daily, so you've got the 4 hour with you, you've got the daily with you. A closure below, potentially make the top wick and then continue down. Could be decent, for sure. That could be very, very nice for sure. So what they're saying here is Festive's waiting for a top wick and then the drive down, exceeding the low to continue. Good morning, Daniel. So getting the closure of the hourlies, big time frame. Let's take a look on the hourly. Yeah, for me, it's a lot of it's quite choppy in the hourly, to be honest. I want to see this 30 closing. If it closes weak, then nice. The reason why I'm still entertaining this is because they have this over here. They're rejecting these highs again. Can you explain the 4 hour daily flip? Yeah, it's just when the candle flips. So the 4 hour candle here. Yo, broski, look at my story on Insta. Let's take a look over here. Wait, where is it? They only have one story on. What about the Jake Paul? So you guys, NY better get something. Yeah, for sure. Hopefully we can get something better. If GJ closes under, then we're golden. Yeah, looks like it isn't though, unfortunately. Coming back up over here. Rejecting these highs. Sorry, rejecting the lows. Sorry, making some support back in the zone over here. GJ just not the time of day. Look at the 4 hours. Look at the 4 hour and the big scale of things. It's just in this zone. Oof. Oof, oof, oof. That shit is rangy. Look at the wicks here. Not nice areas at all. But these sells are still nice. They're still valid. This price could continue. But I basically break even for this session, which is fine. The gold trade came in clutch. Look at that. Look at the 5 minute. Oh. Potentially at that level here, maybe I should have put my stop loss to break even, but I just wanted to give it more room to continue, and it could not. Uploading now, okay.
Rejection strategy. 820 was the stop loss, and then price, you know, you want to catch 10 pips. 920 was the take profit. 920 smash.
That the dollar got them buys in here. How the fuck did you get that? Damn, son. Did you see my GJ day bar pattern I posted in chat? I think GJ will be bullish for a while, then go bearish. I didn't see it. Send us it. GJ is awesome, you said, but only once a week. Nah, it's because Scarlett, this past 2 weeks has been fucking boring on GJ. Go back on my Instagram and go back in the week before that, the week before that. I took like 10 trades on GJ one week and won like 9 of them, or 8 of them. It's just sometimes price actions are the best, but you know that's fine. It's just when it happens, you have to be able to manage the trade, and that's why I always use the 5 minute to take some off. Always use the 5 minute. Always use the 5 minute. 30 minute coming closing back down over here on gold. Damn. And the hourly didn't really close above or below. I know I saw you had 2 awesome weeks. Yeah, the weeks were nice. And then the week before that was good as well. And yeah, so it looks like it's holding support over here. We gave it a chance. Did not come out over here. That's completely fine. Bro, GJ melted hard at 10 pip retracement. Well, yeah, luckily, but bro, tell you what, if price wanted to continue down over here, there was be no retracement, and we had some clean candles to the left over here. Oh, that was tasty. Check my trade in Discord. Let's take a look over here. Is this your trade? Let's take a look. Price goes below. Oh, here, minor res. So you got in a bit higher up over here. Nice, on the 15. Sheesh, with a top wick. Where was this? That's nice. I wanted to be a bit safer at 800, but it looks like the safer actually hit me in the ass. Trade closes, we came towards 750 major support. Beautiful. That's nice. So you got in, actually, let's take a look over here. You got in right here, this little support over here. Wait for the top wick to come, and then on the flip, that's a 4 pip stop. Oof, that's not bad. And a 10 pip gain. So it looks like from 8 o'clock over here, we've ran a little bit at 8 o'clock, and then after that, it's kind of been ranging. I just kind of quit GJ day trading. I just took huge breakouts of news at the moment. I try to don't waste gold profits on GJ anymore. Yeah, that's fair. Chalked, it's still chalked. They still get the, what the fuck is this? I can't do that, whatever that is. Send it in a better thing. Yeah, so identifying that it is chalked and leaving it the fuck alone is what you need to be doing now. So potentially, hopefully in the next 2 hours before I come back to the charts, I'll be looking for trades again, and hopefully I'll be getting them below 400 level, or above kind of 114, because this zone over here, as you've seen, is very, very hard to take trades. So you done for the day? Nah. Just I've started the day. Nah, I do NY as well, don't I? But I'm done for London. Got a gold buy here to continue bullish. Came up to where resistance was, which is fine. And then a GJ sell once we got to closure below here on the 30 minute as well. Wait for the top wick and then the flip. Got down to around about 4 pips profit, and then they could continue. To be fair, I should have had that stop break even, to be honest, but I gave it a bit more room because I thought price was going to be playing beautifully, and then we get this. We get that range, boy. So yeah, what's the thing to do now? We know that volume kind of drops off, but to be honest, volumes never came in. So the best thing to do now is to wait until NY, which would be 11:30, to get some nice trades in. There you go, mate. Nice. That's been good. So making resistance where support was to continue down, closures below, and nice to fill up the zones at 149. This is a higher time frame for sure. I think if price stays below 153.586, I mean it can come up a little bit. If price stays below, it's gonna really start to drop back down to like 150s, which would be nice. Yeah, the daily pattern bar, nice. Looks pretty good. Pretty Gucci. But yeah, so look, Goldie now had a break above, was nice, but isn't really giving me anything more. GA is coming down over here, and GJ is pulling up. I like London, bro. Can't cheat. Nah, London compared to NY is at the moment, especially, is chalked. But beautiful, lovely. What time is it now? Yeah, you'd be up all night. You'd be like an owl. be like an owl. Price is coming back now, flipping the daily, but look at the daily, very, very doji, doesn't really know where it wants to go. And yeah, beautiful. So I think I'm gonna end off this stream over here, guys. Hopefully we can chill, wait until price gets a bit better, and we can get some nice buys above potentially, and then we can continue the NY session. So thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you on Zoom. Alright start to Monday. Monday is normally a bit of a slow start, but that gold trade saved us over here. Hey Max, before you go, where did you close and why on GJ? What, close the loss? I got in here. I got in the flip, exceeding the lows, breaking the lows. We've got the closure in the 30. My stop loss was above this candle to start with, this one here. Sorry, let me just zoom in a bit more. Stop losses are right around 900. Then price came down. We were flipping this candle close. I put my stop loss then to 882 because you shouldn't exceed that high. Come down to 750, looking good to continue. Price comes back up. I have a 50% take off at around about this zone over here, 850, 860. I took off 50% to manage my risk because I wanted the price to continue down, bearish, and it couldn't continue. Worked me back up, took 50% off, and then the rest hit 8 pips stop loss. So there I took a 7 pip loss, which is very, very nice. Yeah, don't you worry about that. That's really, really good. Oh, Dolly. So yeah, let's see. Hopefully, NY session can give us some good momentum and we can continue. So yeah, thank you very much, guys. I'll see you guys on Zoom later on for NY session. If you guys do want to join the NY session, make sure to join the mentorship. It'll be in the chat somewhere. And thank you guys very much. See you later, everyone. Peace out, Antonio. Peace out, the squad. I'll see you later. See you later.
Peace out. See you later.
See you NY. See you NY. See you later, guys. Peace out. See you later, YouTube. Thank you very much. GTA destroyed me today. GTA's fine. Don't worry. Don't worry. It'll come. It'll come. So see you guys later. Thank you very, very much. And I'll see you either tomorrow or NY. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out.